So we're on hurricane watch, and this is our local river. Not a river anymore. It's pretty much a freaking ocean. Like, it's supposed to be like where everybody can sit down and we can. Oh my God, the water's coming off. Babe, the water's coming off.
Yeah, it's gonna get worse.
I'm scared.
It's still raining.
I'm fucking scared. And it smells like a wet dog.
Let's go. It's coming back.
It's pouring.
Oh.
Hi, sexy.
Hi.